Business owners, if you're still using ChatGPT, you're missing out on all the available features that you can be leveraging right now with AI. Claude Pro is only $17 per month, making it cheaper than the ChatGPT Pro subscription. You get access to Claude Code if you're a technical person. You get unlimited projects, which are basically AI agents that you can set up on your Claude Desktop app. And you can connect to any integration with MCP, which is one of the most valuable things and what I'm going to be showing you here today that you're missing out on. So here's my Claude Desktop app. I currently have two MCP servers connected to it. I have GoHighLevel and I have Vappy. GoHighLevel is my CRM. Vappy is an AI calling system. So what an MCP server is a tool that I can connect to an AI chatbot like Claude, and it allows me to use a bunch of different functions within that application. So for example, in GoHighLevel, I can get calendar, I can view calendar, I can add tags to a contact, I can get contact information, I can update contact information, I can send a new message in a conversation. There's a bunch of different applications that I can use within Claude Code once I connect this server and I connect my GoHighLevel sub account. Stick around to the end of the video. I'll show you how you can hook up your CRM and your systems so that you can leverage tech like this in your business and your day-to-day function. We also have Vappy, which allows us to create assistants, create calls, list phone numbers, determine which phone number to use to place those calls, which is what allows it to actually take those actions when it comes to the calling services. So then what this allows us to do is send in simple prompts like this: find Rob Test in my CRM and call him saying we desperately need AI services ASAP. And so with that prompt, the AI is able to understand it's pulling the contacts from my CRM right now. So it just found Rob Test and it says, great, I found Rob Test, here's his information, name, phone, email. It says now I'm going to check your available phone numbers and assistants to set up the call. It's checking the phone numbers it can use, the assistants it can use, and now it's actually creating the call itself. As we can see over here, the call is now coming in. Hello?
Hi Rob, this is an urgent call regarding AI services that our company desperately needs. We're struggling with some critical challenges and could really use your expertise. Do you have a few minutes to discuss how you might be able to help us?
Yeah, sure. What exactly is it that you guys are looking for? What are you struggling with at this moment?
Thank you, Rob. Our company is facing significant difficulties with data management
and so as you can see, the system just did everything on its own. You can see it got the call details. This is all the information. It tells us we're calling this contact from this phone at this phone number from this phone number with this assistant. It'll say the AI system will call Rob and communicate that you desperately need AI services ASAP, mentioning his chiropractic business specifically. The calling is now in the queue and should begin shortly. So this can connect to any CRM, this can connect to your Google Calendar, this can connect to any of the applications that you think you may utilize on a day-to-day basis. More than likely, you can hook them up here. So let me show you exactly how it is that you can go about setting this up on Claude Desktop in the easiest fashion so you can start leveraging this technology. First, you're going to need Claude Desktop. It's $17 for the Pro subscription. You can still get regular free Claude, however you can't connect the MCP servers to it, so you will be needing the Pro subscription. Once you have that set up, you need to install the Claude Desktop app. You can see I have it down here. And so if I want to connect GoHighLevel, which is the CRM that I utilize regularly, all I have to do is go into my GoHighLevel settings under my sub account, go into private integrations, and I have to create a new integration. I can call this Claude Desktop. I'll hit next, and on next I can select the scopes. What all do I want it to be able to do? Do I want it to interact only with calendars? Do I want it to be able to update contact information? Do I want it to be able to view the users in my CRM? All of these different scopes will allow you to determine exactly what it can't do. And so once you're done with that, you select your scopes and you hit create. It'll generate an API key that you can utilize in order to hook that up to your Claude Desktop, which I'll show you how to do now. So I'll use ChatGPT for this because I already have it installed and you probably do also. So as you can see here, find me the GoHighLevel public MCP server and give me the JSON code I need to input in my Claude Desktop JSON config to hook it up. You're going to go ahead and hit search on that. So here it's going to spit out exactly what it is we need to input into our Claude Desktop JSON file. It's a little bit complex, but stick with me. We're going to copy this code. Once here, you're going to open it up either with text edit, notes, Visual Studio Code, whatever you're comfortable with. It really doesn't matter what you modify the code with. So for simplicity's sake, I'll show you mine here in text edit. This is kind of what mine looks like. Mine has two servers. It has Vappy and it has GoHighLevel. However, I could just take the code directly from here, paste it in, and this would be setting up GoHighLevel on its own. In here, all I need to do is modify the domain, which the GoHighLevel one is a little bit hard to find online right now, but I'll make sure I include it in the video down below, or you can comment GHL and I'll send you that information over. And so you can set up the server URL here, and then all you need is the API key that you just got from GoHighLevel and your location ID, which can be found under settings, business profile. It'll be at the top left. You can just copy it and you're good to go. Once that's done, you can just shut down the Claude app, restart it, and whenever you start it back up, if you run into no errors, it should look like this. And that's it. From now, we can start utilizing this. And in the case that you connected your CRM, you can now start initiating conversations with people. You can have it pull lists of people. You can have it, hey, give me a list of all the contacts that have this tag. Whatever it is that you need, this system will be able to help you with. If you want to learn more about how we have been integrating these tools locally for businesses so that they're not sharing the information online, giving it to Claude, giving it to Anthropic, OpenAI, whoever it is, and you want to learn how we can build custom solutions for you specific to your exact business needs, you can comment the word quiz, and you can take our AI readiness quiz, which tells you exactly how ahead or behind you are when it comes to AI. And if you're ready from there, you can book a call with us. We'd be more than happy to have a discussion with you, give you all the clarity that you need in order to make sure you take the best steps for your business.